Hey guys, today I'm going to show you the difference between the Talon knife and the Karambit knife. They say that Talon is just like a copy of Karambit. Um, they just say that, but they don't have any sort of like evidence backing that up. They just look similar. Their names are different, clearly spelled as Talon and Karambit. Yeah. Now, first of all, their animations are for sure different. Look at Karambit's left slice. Look at the right slice. Look at this left slice. Now look at this right slice. Now, forget that. By animation, I mean that. Look at this. You press F and then R, and whoa, look at that, dude. This is the 360s, dude. Look at that. Now, I bet Karambit can't do that. Okay, guys, a tutorial on how to roll the Karambit knife. It looks like that it's rolling on your finger. Press the FR button in a good rhythm and you will be able to get it. Look at this beauty.